So I'm going to be showing you guys how I went from this bright extravagant red to this nice ginger blonde with no bleach. We're just going to hop right into this video. So today I'm going to be using 3 bottles of the Color Oops Extra Strength because I have thick type 4 hair and it's low porosity, so it takes forever for my hair to get wet, and since I can't use this product on wet hair, it's going to take a lot to saturate it completely. And because I really want this to take properly in my hair, I got 3 bottles to make sure I had enough. My hair was ginger blonde at first, and then I mixed raspberry twist and I think magenta or ruby red. I think. Don't quote me on that though, I'm not liable. I dyed my hair this red like August 2021, right before I went back to school for my senior year, because I just wanted to have a different look for my last semester, and I missed having red natural hair since I haven't had it since high school when I first went natural. And I was really feeling this color for a minute. I just loved how bright it and different it was, and my high puff and my big froze kind of just became my look that I was really feeling. And I was just feeling how beautiful my hair was and how much I grew to love it. But after a while, it really just started getting boring to me personally, even though people would still compliment me and say, "Oh, your hair looks so nice," and I would constantly have to fight the urge to not roll my eyes because I was just that over the color. Like, after a while of me having color, like, I really genuinely just got over it. But I wanted to give my hair some time before I did something again to it color-wise, so I didn't want to stress my hair out too much. But the more I had it, the more it started to fade and peaks of blonde would start to pop out. But I didn't mind the gradient look because I thought it was really cute, especially when I saw it straight and it was more obvious. But seeing the blonde really made me want to go back to being blonde, and that's exactly what I'm attempting in this video. So I'm just fully saturating my hair, making sure it completely coats, and hopefully it comes out exactly how I want it to, because I really want blonde hair back again. Alright y'all, so I finally finished. Hopefully all the red comes out because I'm honestly sick of this color now. I had to improvise because I didn't realize till last minute that I didn't have any more shower caps, so hopefully this comes out. I'll be so pissed if I wasted my money because this was not cheap. Alright y'all, so I didn't end up filming myself washing it out, but that was because I kind of forgot it was in my hair when I was eating my dinner, and I had to run to hurry up and get it out because I didn't want anything happening to my hair. But this is how it looks, and I absolutely love it. Like, I really was missing my blonde hair. Like, I really was getting tired of that red hair, and I'm so glad that like my curls are still there. Like, it's a little frizzy, but it's like kind of like the second day, but I like it more frizzy for volume. But this is how it's looking, and I absolutely love it. So, you know, I feel like this is a pretty good thing. Only thing is I don't like the smell. To me, it smells like rotten chicken, like raw rotten chicken. To me, that's what it smells like. But overall, it was actually pretty good, and I'm happy with my results. But if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to a friend if you really like me, and come back for more content. So, bye!